Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Okay students, and today's topic is divisibility. Dear students, please open page number 51. Okay, dear students, you know about what is divisibility. Okay, so look at here carefully. Today I am going to teach you about divisibility and divisibility rule. Look at here carefully. My first question is, what is divisibility? What is divisibility? Dear students, in maths a number is said to be divisible by another number. A number is said to be divisible by another number if remainder is 0. Okay students, in maths a number is said to be divisible by another number if remainder is 0. Okay, now let us consider an example. In this case, look at here carefully. Here we have to take a division table of 217 is divided by 7. Okay, look, this one we know that 21 is divisible by 7. Yes, 21 is divisible by 7. Recalls table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 and 7 3 is 21. Okay students, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of 7 and 3, then we get 21. 7 3 is 21. Okay, after subtracting this, here we get 0 because 21 minus 21 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. It means that here we can write cancel marks. Okay, again here we have to take 7 as same in this place. Okay students, 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7. After subtracting this, here we get 7 minus 7 is 0. It means that here we can write cancel marks, but here we can write 0. Look at here carefully. 0 as remainder. Okay, therefore here we get 0 as remainder. Therefore we can say that 217 is divisible by 7. Okay students, here we can say that 217 is divisible by 7. Clear? Similarly, look, here we can take another example. Look, (248) is divisible by 8. It means that here we can take 248 divided by 8. Look, 8 3 is because table of 8. 8 3 is 24. Yes, 8 3 is 24. After subtracting this, here we get 4 minus 4 is 0. It means that cancel out. 2 minus 2 is 0, it means that here we can write cancel mark, okay, and here we get 8 as same. Clear? 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. After subtracting these, here we get 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 is 0 as remainder. Okay, students? Therefore, we can say that 248 is divisible by 8. Clear? Okay, students? Then, in maths, a number is said to be divisible by another number if remainder is 0. Okay? If remainder is not 0, then we can say that the given number is not divisible by another number. Okay, students? Now with this, now I am going to teach you about divisibility rule. Okay, students? What is divisibility rule? Look. Divisibility rule. First rule is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its units digit is one of 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, students? A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is one of 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, students? Or we can say that a number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is even number. Okay, this one we know that this is an even number. Okay, understand? Now let us consider an example. 12 example. Look, 12, 14, 56, 98, 100, etc. Okay, sense? 12, 14, 56, 98, 100, etc. Let's look at here carefully. In units place, here given that 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Therefore, we can say that 12, 14, 56, 98, 100 is divisible by 2. Okay, students? It means that a number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, students? Now let's start divisibility rule. Second, divisible by 3. divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Okay, friends, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Okay, now let us take another example. Look, 324, 36, 933, etc. Dear students, look at here carefully. In this question here given that 324, if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 3. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here given that 3 plus 2 plus 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 is divisible by 3. Look, if we have to take the division of 9 and 3, 3 3 is 9. Here we get cancel marks. It means that 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that the given number 324 is also divisible by 3. Okay, students, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 3. Okay, students, here given that 36, the sum of its digit is 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Okay, students, here given that 9, therefore we know that 9 is divisible by 3, 9 is divisible by 3, therefore we can say that 36 is divisible by 3. Okay, students, in this question here given that 933, if the sum of its digit is 9 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. Students, 15 is divisible by 3. Look, here we can take 15 divided by 3, 3 5 is 15, 15 minus 15 is cancel marks, it means that 0. Okay, students, here we get 0 as remainder, therefore we can say that 15 is divisible by 3. Okay, therefore the given number is also divisible by 3. Okay, students, got it? Now let's start divisibility rule of third, divisibility by 4. Divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digit the number formed by its digits in unit, in tens and unit place, is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in tens and units place is divisible by 4. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here we have to take an example. $312, $548, $932, etc. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here given that 312. Dear students, in this case, here given that a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digit in tens and unit place. Look at here carefully. In tens and unit place is 12. If this 12 is divisible by 4, therefore we can say that all digits, it means that this number is also divisible by 4. Okay, this one here given that 1 2. Okay, 1 2, it means that 12, we know that 12 is divisible by 4. Look at here carefully. Here we can take 12 divided by 4, 4 3 is 12. Okay, after subtracting these, here we get 0. It means that 12 is divisible by 4. Therefore, we can say that 312 is also divisible by 4. Okay, students. Similarly, we can solve this. Look at here carefully. Here given that the number formed with tens and unit place is 48. The number formed in tens and unit place is 48. This one we know that 48 is divisible by 4, because 4 1 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. It means that cancel out. Here we can take 8, 4 2 is 8, and after subtracting these, here we get 0. It means that cancel out. Therefore, we can say that 48 is divisible by 4. 48 is divisible by 4. 48 is divisible by 4. Therefore, we can say that 548 is also divisible by 4. Okay, distance. In this case, in this question, look at here carefully. Here given that 32. Distance we know that 4 8 is 32. 4 8 is 32. Recalls table of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28. Okay, 4 7 is 28, and 4 8 is 32. Here we get 32 is divisible by 4. Therefore, we can say that 932 is also divisible by 4. Understand, dear sons? If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, and dear sons, please write in your maths fair copy, in your maths book, in your maths fair copy. If any student have doubt, please ask me. Now read this. Divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its units digits is 0 or 5. Okay students, if its units digit is 0 or 5. Okay students, look at here carefully. A number is said to be, a number is divisible by 5, a number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 0 or 5. Look at here carefully. Now let us take an example as 50, 325, 490, 539, 535, etc. etc. Let's look at here carefully. In this question, here given that 0, 5, 0, 5. Okay. In this case, a number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Here we get 0. Therefore, we can say that 50 is divisible by 5. Okay. In unit place, here we get 5. Therefore, we can say that 325 is divisible by 5. Okay. Here we get 0. Therefore, we can say that 490 is divisible by 5. Here we get 5. Therefore, we can say that 535 is divisible by 5. Okay. Students, got it? If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Thank you.